Hello guys, welcome to Techno-Tech YouTube channel. In this video we'll show you how to do the drum refresh in Kyocera 5004i photocopier series. Performing a developer refresh on a Kyocera printer is crucial to maintain optimal print quality. The developer unit plays a key role in the electrostatic process that transfers toner to the paper. Over time, the developer unit can accumulate contaminants and deteriorate, leading to degraded print quality, such as uneven density, blurred images, or streaks on prints. Refreshing the developer involves replenishing it with fresh developer material, ensuring consistent and high-quality print. This maintenance task helps to extend the life of the developer unit and ensures that the printer continues to produce sharp and clear images. Regular developer refreshes are part of the overall maintenance routine to keep Kyocera printers in good working condition. Thanks for watching. If you learn anything in this video, please give a like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, just pin a comment.